As I've said, kanina ano na ay 2 sets atong naging speakers and ito siya mo ay katapusan. And now, ang ikaduhang set, ilang i-cover ang among videotape training, aning atong present kag-i-enjoy, kaning experiencing, enjoying, and expressing Christ. So, muna tayo, since nag-represent, aging sum up aning 12 messages sa among enjoy or sa among kina-enjoy nga kining issue sa volume part 3 o part 3 kining experiencing, enjoying, and expressing Christ.
Amen.
So, unang speaker ano yun? Brother Luport.
Amen.